What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking our daily driver HHR SS to get a dyno tune. Today we're taking the car down to Tune Time Performance. They're located in Lakewood, New Jersey. They do absolutely amazing work. I'll link them in the description below, all their social media. Make sure to give them a follow. They're going to have some really cool content. Those guys are awesome down there. I've worked with Matt before. Matt's worked on my Cobalt SS back in the day. He helped me with my Caliber SRT4 and my Trailblazer SS. So I'm super excited to take a car back to him. I'm looking to see what he can get done. Before I forget, if you guys can, hit like, hit subscribe. Would really appreciate it. I appreciate everybody that's hit subscribed already. Hope to bring you guys some really cool content. I'm going to be trying to churn out videos and content every week in 2021 and hopefully grow the channel a bit. With that being said, the Daily Driver SS, we picked it up about 3 months ago. We have cleaned it up. We did a oil change. We did a coolant flush. We flushed the brake fluid, and we also changed out the transmission fluid. We added full bolt-on in terms of power. We have the cold air intake, downpipe, exhaust, intercooler with the upper and lower charge pipe, and we added a HKS blow-up valve because I like to hear little chirp chirps. Judge me. It's rice, whatever. We have the GM Stage 1 sensors. They're going to install them for us, and they're going to give us a dyno tune. In terms of expectations, I'm expecting 300 wheel horsepower. I'm hopeful to have around 320 wheel horsepower. It is a freezing 32 degrees today in New Jersey. We're doing this in January, so it's a bit brisk out. We have a few more modifications on the way. They won't be here or being installed until springtime. So I'm just trying to get the car tuned so it'll run a little better, especially with the blow-up valve. A shout out to ZZPerformance. Every part on this car that's go fast was from them. Those guys have been awesome. I've called them a few times, asked for some assistance over the phone. I've talked to a few different people, but extra shout out to my boy Ryan. Ryan, thank you for having patience in all of my tedious questions. With that being said, this is going to be a 2-day adventure for me. We're taking it down on a Thursday. They're actually going to inspect the car, make sure it's in good enough condition to go over the dyno, to be dyno tuned. And then the second day is when we will actually dyno it, and I'll come back down and get some content. Whew. with Vin, who's been working on the daily driver project at Tune Time. Vin, can you tell me exactly what was wrong with the car?
First, check engine light was on for cam crank correlation. I pulled the valve cover. I found that the follower chain guide was pretty much broken. A third of it was broken off. Like the whole top section of it was broken off. Caused slack in the chain and caused it to jump time. Then when I also had the valve cover off, I noticed that cylinder 1 exhaust cam was starting to delaminate, which is all the pitting and everything on it. So that had to get replaced. And then while we were in there, just did all the basic maintenance stuff with the full timing chain, cam phasers, cam actuators, replaced the cam, replaced the follower.
Awesome. So it should be ready for a tune shortly.
James has already got the file read out. Now we just gotta wait for him to write the file to it and then be able to start it up. The 3-bar map sensors and the map relocation.
Awesome. Otherwise, it looked all right inside, internally?
Yeah, I didn't see any kind of real sludge or anything like that, so inside of it's clean.
Well, there we have it. The daily driver project. Hopefully, we'll be back soon, and we'll get some more content out shortly.